Hello, TitanX ecosystem, crypto connoisseur, back with some more charts and chit chat. Usual, before we begin, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything I say as financial advice. Any moves you make, it's on you. So, without any further ado, let's jump in and check out the charts. Things have been going very, very well today. We have a lot of pump beats going on. I'm going to start with Baby Dragon X. Massive green candle, God candle here on the daily. We've been in this range for quite a while, and it's tapped it. It's discussed this in the last video. It's tapped this multiple times. We've just broken completely through there. We haven't even retested. We're just straight up to the north. We've got a currently 56.67% green candle. So really, really good. I think a lot of this pumpage is due to the news that Scale will be taking a snapshot, I think on the 5th of November, or it'll be launched the 5th of November. So a lot of people are obviously trying to get their bags of Baby Dragon X to get involved in the snapshot. So yeah, that's what's happening to Baby Dragon X. While we're on the meme coins, let's jump over to Inferno. Inferno has been ripping as well. Last night, while the 1 year anniversary stream was on, Inferno broke its all-time high, and it's just poked above it. It's done a quick retest. This is on the daily, and it's off to the races again. So again, I've discussed this before. We're in a Elliott wave pattern. We're in the middle of a wave three, and the wave threes are normally the strongest impulse. And as you can see, it's kind of doing that. So Inferno is looking super, super bullish. Yeah, plenty of room to go in RSI. So lots of room to run here before we'll see the inevitable pullback. But Inferno has got multiple protocols built on top of it, multiple burns, half the supply is gone forever. So this is one I've been telling you guys for weeks now about this one. It's a good one. It's a good one to have on your radar. I want to congratulate Brandon and the rest of the team on the successful launch of Morpheus today. So let me have a look at the stats here. Lovely website. This website it's next level. This is raising the bar for landing pages, definitely within the TitanX ecosystem. So future builders, developers, you need to look at this and you need to better it. It's going to be difficult to do because it's a really slick looking site. So that's how we look at the BAM burn. One thing I did notice, I can't scroll with a mouse for some reason. I don't know why that's an issue with the mouse. I don't think so because everything else is working. So you have to go to the wee bar on the right here and pull it down, be a bit old school. So what have we got in the BAM burn? Yeah, we have down here. We have 477. Look at all the sevens, guys. But $477,000 currently in the BAM burn. So the BAM burn is set to go every 30 minutes. But at the minute, there's only $99. So it's 84 million TitanX per 30 minutes. So obviously they're slow rolling this. They're letting the BAM burn build up before they let it off a bit. But it's minuscule at the minute. But that will change, I'm sure, in the near future. What I really like about this one, guys, is all the TitanX gets brought in the mint phase. 10% is given away to, I think it's 8 users. Let me look here and see. Pop back here. Yeah, 10% is used for a community raffle after the mint phase. Every 100 mil TitanX was created a raffle, blah, 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 blah. 10 winners, yeah. So there's 10 winners will share 10% of whatever goes in to the mint phase. So it could be a lot. It could be life-changing money for some people, actually. Another DragonX burner. So 72% of all the TitanX goes in, purchases DragonX, with 20% acquired DragonX burnt to drive scarcity. So 20% to 70% go straight to the BAM burn DragonX. So this is why I'm so bullish on DragonX. We've got protocol after protocol launching. We've got E280. It's DragonX is the biggest burner for E280. Thank you, dude. We've got Morpheus. We've got multiple others coming. Yeah, cap supply, deflationary, great narrative. Year of the Dragon. I think DragonX is going to be massive. Let's have a look at Mr. TitanX and see what's been going on here. What are we on the deal like? Yeah, so TitanX has just been kind of chilling. It's a wee bit of a pump today, but I discussed in the last video about possibly making another cup and handle on this bigger time frame. It's a 3-day. So yeah, it's kind of nestling along that lower trend line. So what we're wanting is TitanX to basically head up north here and break the upper trend line and get back above this resistance area and then consolidate above it. Let's check the RSI. Yeah, again, in the last video, I'd spoken about the oscillators have to reset. So if you look here, it was coming up to this area and I'd warned saying we're going to get a cool off because they'll have to reset. If you look, every time it goes up, it bounces off and comes back down. So we did, went up, hit the purple area, and we're now retracing back down. RSI hasn't made a lower low, which is super bullish on the 3-day. So yeah, I think TitanX is going to get ready to rumble. Everything's looking really, really nice. Okay, DragonX. Same for DragonX, bit of a pump today. We've got a bullish engulfing candle on the 3-day. Let's have the daily. Yep, daily's looking really good as well. The thing we should be really interested in, my little competition for 1 billion TitanX is now back in the black. So if you're new to my channel, I've put 1 billion TitanX in, and once it appreciates, this is versus DragonX versus TitanX. Once it appreciates 100%, I'm going to put 1 billion TitanX out. I'm going to give it a lucky follower. You have to enter. You have to go to my Twitter pin message, and all the instructions are there what to do. So if you follow these instructions, you're in for a chance of winning 1 billion TitanX once it hits this little target. I actually have single-sided staking or single-sided liquidity setup to come out of this trade. So I'm not going to sell it off, market sell it. It's going to come out via liquidity because I'm a good little boy. And I say, go to my pinned X tweet and it'll be all the information's there, everything you need. Okay, Bitcoin has broken out of a massive bull flag. It's been in this bull flag since March. So we're broken out of it. We've done a retest. This is on the weekly, which is obviously even more bullish. And we've just done a little tap on the upper trend line and it's starting to break out. So what we're wanting Bitcoin to basically break through this purple zone and consolidate above it. And then we're off up into the higher numbers. I think personally, let's have a look here and see. This will be my price for Bitcoin. This is probably going to shock some people, but I think Bitcoin is going to be lucky to do the 100,000 this cycle. I think it's maybe going to get to the 1618. And the reason I say this, guys, is every cycle Bitcoin gets weaker. It's called diminishing returns. And if you go and look at the chart and look at the gains per cycle, it's come way down. So I was around the last cycle, and what did we go to? It was 69, whatever it was. And the YouTubers, the people shouting for 250, 300,000, 150. Whatever you hear on YouTube and these influencers tell you, it's not going to go anywhere near it. So I think just by charts, just by pure looking at the charts, I think 90,000 tops, 100,000 maybe tops, 90,000. I think it's gonna finish there. But hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully it does 200,000, 300,000, and we'll all get extremely rich and have parties and give up our day jobs if you have one. That would be really, really nice. So on the TitanX Hub, the checker stats, 298 market cap, 299. The volume is up to 9.69, which is pretty good. Our users, again, I think the last time we just broken 18,000, so we're now at 18.22. But yeah, green all over the place, guys. A couple of reds there, but mainly green. Pumping all over the show. We've got a little event coming up here in 1 day, 7 hours, 35 minutes. We've got $6.7 million worth of Ethereum that is hitting the TitanX ecosystem. And Mr. DragonX will be getting 2.6 of it. So that $2.6 million of Ethereum will go into the DragonX protocol. 44.5% goes to buy DragonX and burn it forever. Another 44.5% goes to buy TitanX, and then it puts it into the staking vault. So yeah, very, very bullish times, guys. Another bullish thing is the other, what is it, 4 million? So 2.6, let's have a quick look here. Yeah, so the other $4.1 million has gone back to the TitanX ecosystem users. And with these green candles going and excitement here, there's a bit of the euphoria kicking in. I think a lot of people are going to start buying these BOT protocols and push everything even higher. But not financial advice, guys. I'm just an idiot in the kitchen. Don't take anything I say as financial advice, or you're crazy. Okay. Boom. So all good, guys. Hang in there. Deflation, hyper deflation's coming. It's looking really, really good. Green candles all over the place. More protocols launching. More people coming into the ecosystem. So everything's great, guys. So I'll drop another video, maybe a day or two. But take it easy. Stay safe, everyone, and enjoy the gains. Gains.